With the Tutor LMS 3 update, the native e-commerce system was added. Now you can effortlessly sell courses with this fully integrated e-commerce system without any third-party plugins. In this video, we're going to do an overview of this native system. So let's get started. So with the built-in e-commerce system, now you can effortlessly sell your courses. Now we have features like easy order management, a more enhanced checkout experience, more flexible tax management, better coupon creations and coupon management. And we can also see there are more payment gateways now, such as the PayPal, Stripe, Klarna, Amazon Pay, AuthorizeNet, Molly, Paddle, Razorpay, Redsys, and Monoris. With the order management, we can now manage our orders, track our orders quickly. We can also mark them complete or cancel when needed. So this makes your order management a lot easier. In the coupon section, you can easily create the coupons. You can add the coupon name, coupon code, define their validity, and the system will take care of the rest. Now, if we talk about tax management, whether you need to set up taxes or not, now we can actually set tax rates for entire countries or fine-tune them for specific provinces. Now with this new e-commerce system, it has speed, security, flexibility, and you can make more conversions. And the analytics system has also evolved, so you can now track your records much more closely, and you can make data-driven decisions. In the settings section of Tutor LMS, if we go to the monetization option, here we will be able to select our e-commerce engine. So this is where we can select the native e-commerce engine from. Once we select this and click on Save Changes, we will have access to more monetization options such as the payment methods, taxes, and checkout. So after we activate the native e-commerce engine, we will see there are more options such as the cart page and checkout page. Now, as soon as you install Tutor LMS and go through the setup wizard process, you can see the cart page and checkout page automatically created, and it will automatically be selected over here as well. So if you want to design your own cart page, you have to set it from here. Same goes for the checkout page. From the currency symbol, we can choose what the currency symbol we will be using, US dollar or euro. So all these currency symbols are here, so you can select the one that you want to use. You can also choose the currency position, set the position of the currency symbol, so where it will be, either left or right, you can set it from here. You can also specify the thousand separator, decimal separator, and numbers of decimals, so all can be set up from here. If we scroll down, we can also enable revenue sharing from here. So if we enable this, we can actually specify how much the instructor takes and how much the admin takes. So this ratio can be set up from here. And we also can see the deduction fees over here. If we enable this, we can also deduct a certain amount of fee. And we can also write in description what this deduction is for. And we can also set a percentage or fixed amount of deduction. We can also set the minimum withdrawal amount for the instructors. So if we read over here, it says instructors should earn equal or above this amount to make a withdrawal request. So instructors have to make a certain amount of money before they can make their withdrawal request. So if you set it to, say, 100, instructors need to make at least $100 or whatever currency you're using in order to request a withdrawal. You can also specify the minimum days before the balance is available. So 7 is written over here. So if 7 is selected, this specified amount has to stay in his account for 7 days before they can make a withdrawal. So you can customize these numbers. We can also enable the withdrawal method that we want to use. Currently, we have the bank transfer, e-check, and PayPal. And with the bank instruction, we can write over here. And finally, from the invoice, the from address, if we read over here, it says specify the from address that will appear in the top right corner of the order invoice. You can write within 200 characters, right, in here. Now we can also see the payment methods over here. So we can add different payment gateways through this section. Currently, the PayPal has been added by default, but not enabled. To enable PayPal, we have to first click over here, add in the merchant email, client ID, secret ID, webhook ID, and webhook URL. And finally, we have the option to choose a test or a live environment. To add a new gateway, we can just simply click over here, and there are several payment gateways such as the Stripe, Razorpay, Paystack, Molly, Klarna, Alipay. Then we can also add manual payment gateway from here. We can write the title, icon, and provide the payment instruction, and it will be added over here as well. Now, if we need to apply tax rates for some regions, we can do it from here. We can apply tax rates for an entire country, or we can fine-tune the tax systems for specific provinces. With this system, it's now much more easier to do. Now we can also customize the checkout experience. We can enable coupons. We can create coupons. We can set the coupons rates, set the coupons validity, and the system will take care of the rest. Now, if we enable the native e-commerce system, this will be added for our course. So let's take a look at the course. So we created this course in our previous tutorial. If you guys have missed this tutorial, we'll provide the link in the video description so you can check it out. So with the native e-commerce engine in action, we can see the pricing model is over here. If we switch to the paid option, we can add a regular price and sale price right from this course builder. Now, if you enable the subscription add-on, you'll find there's a new option over here, the add subscription. So clicking on this button, we will be able to add more subscription plans. Now, Tutor LMS has a free version and a pro version. Now, depending on which version you're using, the native e-commerce features will vary. So here in the free versus pro comparison, we can scroll down and see in the native e-commerce section, we can see the built-in subscription. It's not available for the free version, but it's available in the pro version. The other features such as coupon management, advanced tax management, order management, and optimized checkout, these are all available in the free version and the pro version. If we talk about monetization, the single course selling option is available for the free version, but the site-wide membership is not available for the free version. Earning and commission allocation is available in the free version, but the manual enrollments are not. And in the pro version, you have access to all these features. If we take a look at the payment gateways, if you're using Tutor LMS free, you'll only be able to use PayPal. But if you're using Tutor LMS Pro, you'll have access to all of these payment gateways. And for the analytics, if you're using the free version, you won't get access to these advanced analytics such as reports and analytics, earning analytics, detailed student and course reports, and analytics export option. So you can see how significant improvement you're getting in Tutor LMS Pro. Now, if we talk about the pricing, Tutor LMS has annual and lifetime plans. Annual plans starts from $199 per year with the individual plan. The business plan is available for $399 per year, and the agency plan is available for $799 a year. Now, with the individual plan, you get one site license. With the business plan, you get up to 10 site licenses, and with the agency plan, you get unlimited site licenses. And if we switch on to the lifetime plans, the individual plan is available for $499, the business plan is $999, and the agency plan is $1,999. So the site licenses is exactly like before, except with the agency bundle, you can use it for 50 sites. So currently you can see there's a discount going on, so this is because of the Black Friday deal. So if you guys are interested in getting Tutor LMS Pro, check the video description for links. So that was the native e-commerce system of Tutor LMS 3. If you guys found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on WordPress.